Today we're going to show you how to fold the bat plane. It swoops, glides and flaps its wings like a real creature of the night. And yes, it's super fun to fly. What you'll need: one A4 sheet of paper, a flat surface to fold on, and if you like, some crayons, stickers or markers to bling up your bat plane. Let's get folding. Thanks for watching. Tap the like button if you had fun and subscribe so you never miss a new video.